What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sorry I haven't put out a whole lot of driving content. Been doing the same thing every day, Monday through Friday. So let's talk about that. Been doing power only for O'Reilly's, or O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's a Landstar power only deal. Let's see here. So it's $2,000 a week, or a day, I'm sorry. Definitely not a week. $2,000 a day, all in rate. That includes Landstar's pay. So they got to take their 35% out of the line haul out of that, which leaves me with $1,433 a day. Not too bad, I can't complain there. 300 miles round trip, drop and hook on both ends, and I'm done. So just under 5 hours worth of work for $1,433 to the truck. That's before fuel. So I did that 5 times this week, Monday through Friday. It was night shift. That's why I didn't do a whole lot of recording, because it's kind of the same thing. It's hard to do night trucking videos at least. Let's see here. I spent $529 in fuel. That was a full tank. It was like 190 gallons. It filled me up, and I was able to do all week with that. But I did, so Monday I had some fuel left over from last week. Y'all remember that? So not bad. In all, I made $6,635 and some change to the truck after fuel. Before fuel, $71.65. I really can't complain. 5 days worth of work with 25 hours worth of work for the week. Power only. I'm home every day. Every day, because it would pick up at 8 o'clock at night if it's on time, and then it would run to I'd get back to the yard at like 2:10, 2:30, somewhere like that a.m. So wasn't too bad. Definitely an easy run all the way over to Knoxville and back. I really can't complain. It was really easy. Light loads. It was hazmat, and I had to run corrosive. No big deal. Let's see. I'm trying to make sure I get all the details of that run in there. It was an easy run. It was cake. $7 grand or $66.35 after fuel. I take out another $118 for insurance, so $6,500 take home for the week with 25 hours worth of work. Again, I can't complain. I can't say it enough. I'm happy here at Landstar. Why would you go to Landstar? Because that right there. I'm happy with that. I am hooked back up to my my flagship here, because it's over. We did it for a week and a half this week. So yesterday was Friday, today's Saturday. I just brought my truck back up here closer to where I live, and instead of having to drive all the way down there and get it again, I just drove it up here. Yeah, we did it. So I did it Monday through Friday, and then last week was Tuesday through Friday. So almost 2 weeks worth of work at $1,433 a day to the truck. I can't complain, guys. So definitely a good week for the Great Freight Race. I don't know where I stand with the rest of the competitors. I feel like I'm doing all right as far as being leased on to Landstar. No truck payments. My insurance a month is $118. And then there's a few other, like the airtime, free pass, stuff like that is all done. Another 25, 30 bucks, stuff like that a week. Not a big deal. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go home, hang out with the family for the weekend, and until I see you guys next time, y'all stay safe out there. Love one another. Let your family know you love them. Stand up for what you believe in. We need more people doing that. Some of y'all didn't like the video I put out, and that's okay. I'm all right with that. I'm gonna stand up for what I believe in, and that's just how it's gonna be. So y'all be good. I love you guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.